Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2019 Hot Wheels. Today we have a 2010 Chevy Impala from the Hot Wheels Race Team series. I've opened up a blue one before. This is number 2 of 5 and number 209 of 250 on the year. 2017 copyright. Cool Hot Wheels, inspired race vehicles. Will you win the race? Alright, let's get this Chevy Impala open. Number 4. Driving is on the left. No painted taillights. No painted headlights. All 4 wheels roll well. The white is metal. Plastic bottom. And this car is made in Malaysia. Let's see how it rolls. Very straight roller. Rail ride. When I go backwards, it jumps off the track. But if I do it this way backwards, not so much. Oh. All in all, it's definitely a cool car. This will look good next to the blue one. Turn it this way and try that. Yeah, a little better. The drift. Not too bad of a drifter. Sweet. Nice car, all in all. Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again and checking it out with me. Please subscribe. And please watch the whole video. Help me with my watch hours. T10 out.